In this video, we'll show you how to replace the surface element, which is also referred to as the burner element. No special tools are required to complete this task. To replace your surface element, first make sure all knobs and switches are off and the range is not hot. Then make sure that the coil is completely cool before proceeding. If so, lift the burner element until it reaches a 45-degree angle. Then pull away from the receptacle to detach the terminals. Before installing the new surface element, make sure the drip pan is properly aligned. The notch in the drip pan should be on the opposite side of the receptacle. Now insert the terminals back into the receptacle at a 45-degree angle and lower the new element until it rests in the notch. Then turn on the burner to ensure that it was properly installed. You may see a little smoke burn off of the element from it being handled. This is normal. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at geapplianceparts.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.